What else did I say? AI? Yeah, I'd learn about AI. If I was 25 years old, I wouldn't fucking go to college.
I think people are misunderstanding what marketing is. They don't have a marketing problem. They have a strategy problem. Your job is to engage and help that person get to what they really seek.
Right now, the majority of this room is demonizing AI. They are scared of what AI is going to do and how it's going to take their money. I don't want this to happen either. I just realize I have no choice.
The world is changing at a speed we've never seen before. And at the heart of this change is one single technology: artificial intelligence. But for most entrepreneurs and business owners, this new wave doesn't feel like an opportunity, it feels intimidating. It feels like a threat. And this fear is something one of the world's top marketers sees everywhere he goes. But here's the secret the smartest minds have figured out. AI isn't the goal, it's the vehicle. Adopting AI isn't about being a tech wizard. It's about being a better strategist. It's about solving a much deeper problem that most businesses don't even realize they have.
Are grossly underestimating how much this thing can do. You know, people are like hesitant for this very aggressive new technology, but it is a tremendous equalizer in life. In a lot of ways, AI is giving the value to the person that always deserved it.
Imagine having a personal assistant that works 24/7, never gets tired, and automates the most tedious tasks in your business. It then sends out targeted, customized emails to each of those players. So you don't even have to go in and manually do the homework yourself. But if you're not using them, you're not gonna grow as fast as your competition. And if you're strapped for money and resources, this is the perfect solution because it's so much cheaper than hiring a human.
A tremendous equalizer. Think about that. A tool that gives the small business, the local shop, the solo entrepreneur the same capabilities that were once reserved only for giant corporations with billion-dollar budgets. But what does that actually look like in practice? What does this equalizer do on a day-to-day basis? So let's connect all the dots. Grant Cardone says this is the future you must learn. Gary Vee says you have no choice but to embrace it because it's the great equalizer. Seth Godin tells us the goal is a better strategy to truly help our customers. And Neil Patel lays out exactly how with a 24/7 automated assistant that saves you time, saves you money, and builds personalized relationships at scale. They're all describing the same thing: a new way of doing business. A system that works for you, so you can work on your business, not just in it. A system that doesn't just find leads, but nurtures them. A system that turns interest into engagement and engagement into sales, automatically. The question is no longer if your business needs this power. The only question is how to implement it. What if there was a platform designed from the ground up to be that exact system? To be the equalizer they're all talking about. A tool built not just for marketing, but for smart, automated growth.